my laptop.
Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn colors and numbers in a very creative and joyful manner which children would love. So let's get started. Come Zainab.
Yeah.
Come. Let's start.
That
Alright, so chalo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
And
6.
okay. Now let's learn colors. Now Zainab, you are going to shake one of the bottle. Okay? Shake it and then tell me what color is it. Shake any one bottle. Let's start.
Green color.
Very good. Try the next bottle now. Which color is this, Zainab?
Blue.
Very good. Try the next one.
Purple color.
Very good. Say it loud. Say it loud. Which color?
Purple.
Next one. Which color? Which color?
Yellow color.
Yes. So let's mix this one. Next, please. Yes, mix it. Fast, fast, fast. Okay, wait. Which color is this, baby?
Orange.
Very good. Next one. Mix. Mix, mix, mix.
This is pink.
Mix it more. It will turn red.
This is pink.
No, it is turning into
Red.
yes. Which color is this?
Red.
Now one by one, tell me the colors. Okay. Wait. Start.
Red color. Orange color. Green color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color.
I thought this one was yellow. Yeah, a kind of green.
Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Orange. Red.
Chale.
Blue color, green color, purple color, yellow color, orange color, red color.
Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Wow.